Hello! Today is Tuesday, September 8th of 2020. Today we're going to define and review Story 6 vocabulary words. Our guiding question is, what are some social jobs? Our do now, the vocational question of the day, and as always remember, camera on, mics on mute, and ready to learn. Vocational question of the day. Do you like to play video games? Story 6. Social careers for helping others. In this story, 4 friends meet workers who help people. By the end of this story, we will be able to identify social careers. All people in social careers help people as part of their jobs. People in social careers are dedicated leaders, humanistic, responsible, and supportive. They like to help people. Now let's review some vocabulary words from Story 6. Service, the act of helping others. Health, when your body is working fine and not sick. Recreation, things to do when you're not working or in school. Assist, to help someone to do something. Now let's work on our exit ticket. What does assist mean? Working with computers, help someone to do something. Great job! It means help someone to do something. Question number 2. Choose the correct vocabulary word. When your body is working fine and not sick. Is it health or logistics? Great job! Health. When your body is working fine and not sick, you have health. Great job, Gadiel. This is the end of today's lesson. Next lesson, we will read story number 6. Bye!